So yeah, in front of me we have a box that contains the first ever parts that were built off of the Earth's surface. They're built on the International Space Station. So yeah, let's open this thing up. More paperwork. Another copy of the 1149. A lot of foam. So let's see, bag number one. Look like, wow, they're sealed up pretty good. Some scissors would help. I don't want to cut into the bags that they're in.
Double bagged with the third bag.
Yeah. And this should just be a Ziploc bag. Alright, so let's see, this is 018. This was a tinsel coupon. We use this to test mechanical samples. 014.
Tinsel coupon 3. No. NASA Ames CubeSat part.
Little clip for a CubeSat. So this one is pretty interesting. It's a ratchet that was built, and it was also uplinked from the ground. It wasn't on the printer, on the printer's memory to begin with. Let's see how this one turned out. Actually looks pretty good. So this ratchet's actually supposed to move. I don't want to mess with it too much right now, but it's really just kind of a proof of concept that you can build functional parts in space, so the astronauts, if they need a ratchet or whatever other tool they might need, they could just build it on demand and not have to wait a month or two for the resupply mission. 010, 019, 017. That's all that's in the box. This one I'm excited to see, as it was actually built with several cantilevers with no support structure. Yeah, so with this we'll see how much of an overhang we can build and still make a geometrically good quality part. My favorite part out of all of these. So yeah, now that we have everything out of the box, we'll start testing them. So first they'll go first they'll get their pictures taken, and so we can get an official comparison of the ground control samples, which you've already taken those pictures. So if there's any difference between the part, any visible difference, then we'll be able to take note of that. And then they'll go through what's called a structured light scanning, and so it'll scan the outer geometry and then compare that back to the original CAD model. We really want to find out if there's any difference in how the layers adhere to each other in microgravity versus 1G. And the printer is still on the space station. It's we're gearing up for phase 2. We have more practical parts rather than just. This is mostly test coupons. So the next phase of prints will be practical coupons, more like the ratchet, but different tools and items that the astronauts could potentially use.